Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.5% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices fell about 2% on worries that slower economic growth in the US and China could reduce demand for energy, especially after prices surged over 7% during the prior 3 days. Sterling reached a 2-year high against the dollar and also gained on the euro, supported by bets the Bank of England will cut rates less dramatically than the Federal Reserve, while the British economy outperforms the Eurozone. The market capitalization of artificial intelligence and big data cryptocurrency projects and tokens has surged by 79.7% over the past 3 weeks, reflecting renewed confidence among crypto investors.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Irish consumer confidence will be released at 6 GMT, Japan's foreign bond investment at 23:50 GMT, the Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT, the US EIA crude oil stocks change at 14:30 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.